How to start a coffee shop. Inspirational video. Do you realize how much power there is in your ability to adapt? The world changes all the time, and fortunately, so can you. Yes, you've always been who you've always been, but there is no limit to the ways you can express your beautiful, unique, essential nature. You can succeed in growing your coffee shop, and you have the ability to live a better version of yourself. No dream ever has to be lost. No hope needs ever have to be dashed, because you can adapt those hopes and dreams to whatever reality appears in your path. Some of the best things that will ever be in your life you have not even heard of yet. By adapting to life changes, you position yourself to accept and enjoy life's reward. Tomorrow will be different than today. Next year, different than the past. Instead of wishing for things to stay the same, look for positive possibilities and changes. You can do it. Those possibilities always appear, and you can always adapt to them. You'll get to enjoy making life good in ways you cannot yet imagine. When life asks the most from you is when you're getting the most from life. What you receive is inseparable from what you give. Dig deep, give more, and you'll benefit just as much as anyone. That is the essential nature of every opportunity. Now, if you've been inspired by this video, please watch part 2 so that you can get the inspiration and energy to take action today. Link will be included in the description below.